All right. Well, it looks like I'm all loaded up and ready to head home. I'm just finishing up an adventure, but it's going to take me a little while to get it edited and get it up on YouTube. But in the meantime, I have a special treat for you. I talked Steven from the channel Bass and Trout into making a video for the Firebox Stove channel. So here you go. Steven, take it away.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another exciting video on the Firebox Stove YouTube channel. I am Steven from the Bass and Trout YouTube channel. I'm taking over for Steve today, and I've made my way to this beautiful little stream, and it is full of brown trout and rainbow trout. I brought my fly rod, so we're going to see if we can dial that in, and we're going to do some cooking on the Firebox Stove and just have a good time being out here in nature. We've got a beautiful little waterfall here. Absolutely gorgeous. Love cooking bacon and eggs on this little cast iron. I think it's done. That's the way to start the day right there. So if you're not familiar, fly fishing is pretty much my bread and butter. I think it's going to be the most effective way to catch fish out of this little creek. Very simply put, the basics of fly fishing. We've got a little bobber or indicator up here. We have a little split shot weight to help the fly sink down. Then this is just called a midge. Almost looks like a little worm or something, but it's one of the most common food sources for trout. And they hatch by the millions in the springtime. I think we're gonna start right here at this little waterfall. It looks pretty good. Or maybe we'll try these pools first. There's definitely gonna be some fish sitting there. Oh, I had one. Dang it. Oh, there was one. Got him. Yeah, there's a fish. Heck yeah, looks like a little wild rainbow. Check that out. Let's go get him. Oh, he's beautiful. Holy cow. Dang. That's a pretty trout right there. That is what a wild rainbow trout looks like, ladies and gentlemen. So pretty, but a little too small to keep, so he's gonna get set free today. There we go. Fish on. What do we got? Looks like that's a little brown. That's a really, really beautiful dark colored brown. Again, I think he's just too small to eat. Got him. Oh, wow. This one's even smaller. Smallest one of the day. Oh, and I snagged him in the tail. It's a baby rainbow. I snagged that guy right in the tail, unfortunately. That is so cool. Wow. Starting to worry we're not going to catch a fish big enough to cook. Another one, a little brown. We might have to just cook these. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I got a double. I got a double. Yo. Whoa, folks, look at that. I got two. Oh, hold on. I have two flies on my rig, actually. Usually it's to help so it sinks faster, but two flies means you can catch two fish sometimes. That is so cool. Two little browns, one cast. That's kind of a goofy looking tree. Got him. Ah, another fish not big enough. At least we're catching something. That's fun. That's a good fish. That's a better fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's lunch. There we go. Whew, finally. A fish bigger than 5 inches. He's still not huge, but at least he'll cook. We're just gonna have to have a few more hash browns than fish. I'll take that though. Beautiful little wild rainbow. Maybe we can pull another one out of there. Get 2 fish to cook. There's another one. Another rainbow, wild rainbow. Nice. Yeah. Ooh. I think we'll cook him up too. So we got 2 trout, both pan size. Altogether, it'll give us a pretty good meal. Well, I just broke my entire rig off in the tree above me. So I think that's a good sign to stop fishing and go cook some lunch. I'm glad we decided to keep another one, because one of these fish would not be enough. And we'll cover it up. The meat isn't pink on this trout, but I think it'll still taste pretty good. That's what you like to see on your hash browns. Turn these pieces of fish over and cook that middle part. Oh, that meat's crumbling apart. It's gonna be nice and tender. We're gonna try some Hakata spice on our fish today. I would say that that right there is done. Beautiful. Nice flaky tender meat just crumbling apart in the pan. And we got some nice golden hash browns. Mmm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Super fun time out here. Caught some beautiful fish. Cooked some good food on the firebox. Just can't get better than that. If you want to see more fishing, you can check out my channel, Bass and Trout. But give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Firebox Stove channel. And with that out of the way, I think we'll see you guys in the next one.